Ahoy, fellow adventurers! Join me as we dive into the intriguing tale of Captain Elias Thorn, a 19th century seafarer who embarked on a journey that led him to a mysterious island filled with wonders and dangers. Imagine a ship bravely cutting through tumultuous waves, battling the storm under a dark, brooding sky. The winds howled, and the rain lashed against the sturdy vessel. Captain Thorn stood firm at the helm, his eyes piercing through the darkness. Every flash of lightning lit up his focused face as he spotted a faint glow on the horizon. What could this be? Could there be a hidden treasure, or perhaps something more enigmatic waiting for him and his crew? Tension ran high aboard the ship as they approached this uncharted territory. A blend of fear and exhilaration kept everyone on edge. Finally, the ship anchored at a misty shore. A sense of apprehension washed over Captain Thorn as he gazed upon the rugged landscape. The crew, both excited and anxious, began to explore. They stumbled upon ancient ruins, remnants of a civilization long forgotten. Strange symbols were carved into the rocks, whispering tales of the past. As they ventured deeper, the air buzzed with an eerie energy. The crew's fascination grew, but so did their greed. "Imagine what we could do with these artifacts," someone exclaimed. As they ventured further into the heart of the island, the crew encountered awe-inspiring structures. Towering statues cried out to the heavens, and intricate carvings adorned every surface. Meanwhile, strange artifacts pulsed with a soft light, as if inviting the adventurers closer. Captain Thorn's curiosity ignited. He began to decipher the symbols, realizing they held clues to this ancient civilization's technology. But the excitement was quickly eclipsed by rising tensions among the crew. "We've got to claim this for ourselves," said one member as greed started to rear its ugly head. What began as a shared adventure soon spiraled into conflict. Heated arguments erupted among the crew as they debated their next move. Trust was slowly unraveling, and it was clear that not everyone had the same noble intentions. Under the cover of night, whispers of rebellion filled the air. Subtle acts of sabotage began to unfold, and soon, crew members started disappearing, victims of the island's ancient traps. Captain Thorn, once a respected leader, found himself at a crossroads. He knew he had to choose between loyalty to his crew and the allure of power. Desperation stirred within Thorn. As the moon hung low in the sky, he immersed himself in deciphering the mysterious symbols, piecing together the history of the lost civilization. With each carefully interpreted character, he caught glimpses of incredible inventions that could change the world. But with every discovery came new dangers. Traps triggered at his every step reminded him that the secrets of this island were not meant to be uncovered lightly. The stakes were high, and Thorn's struggle to find wisdom in the ruins was palpable. Fast forward to today, where modern-day explorers stumble upon Captain Thorn's weathered journal, hidden deep within the annals of history. Through his ink-stained pages, they uncover his astonishing discoveries, revealing connections to future advancements in our society. Somehow, Thorn's legacy continues to ripple through time, linking past innovations to contemporary technology. Are we not all explorers in our own right, searching for clues in the vast landscape of life? As our story draws to a close, let's take a moment to reflect. A powerful montage comes to life, blending ethereal visuals of ancient ruins with vibrant cityscapes of today. The music swells as the past and present intertwine, reminding us that each discovery lays the groundwork for future advancements. Captain Elias Thorn's journey teaches us not just about the thrill of adventure, but about the responsibilities that come with knowledge. So what lies beyond the next horizon? Only time and our relentless curiosity will tell.